Guys, let me take you through how I make this yummy Eru. Eru is a Cameroonian dish. You can eat it with water fufu and gari. So it is a very simple vegetable soup that you can make if you have all your ingredients. All right, if you have your meat, if you have your crayfish, if you have your fish, if you have your cow skin, if you have your Eru, if you have your water leaf, your red oil, your pepper, you are good to go. So if you just stumbled on this video and you've prepared Eru before, let me know if I did the right thing in this video. And if you've never prepared Eru before, follow this my recipe. You are going to love it. Okay, I just made the Eru. No, just a simple Eru, because for me to start, there was nobody to film it while I turned the fufu, so I never wanted it to be somehow. So let me show you how this is made. So first of all, my pot with a little bit of water, then my red meat. In that red meat, I put in my salt and maggi and let it cook for 1 hour. After that, I take off the meat without water. Then I'm going to be boiling the cow skin. I boil my cow skin differently. If you want to mix your cow skin alongside the meat, no problem. You can combine it together, all right? So without water in my cow skin, I add in my water leaf, and I'm going to be adding in my Eru at once. I don't waste time, all right? Remember, water leaf has a lot of water, so you don't need to put in water again. After I put in your meat and you mix it all together, let it cook. Now, there is no Eru without red oil. For those of you who put a lot of groundnut oil in, you put groundnut oil in your Eru, you're making the wrong recipe. And there is no Eru without Cameroon pepper. With Cameroon pepper, will have green pepper, will have red pepper, will have yellow pepper. So you can choose either of them you put. Then you pour in red oil, enough red oil. Eru cannot go without red oil. I used to see some people, some videos online, somebody say, let's try to make Eru with groundnut oil. Guys, you're spoiling that recipe. The Southwesterners in Cameroon, if they hold you, they'll squeeze you like that, because red groundnut oil is a no-go area with Eru. All right. After that, you let it cook. Remember, you are not putting in water. And the last thing that will give you the amazing aroma that you want is crayfish. Put enough crayfish in your Eru, and then you can eat this with gari. You can eat this with water fufu. So that is just the simple way for you to make your Eru if you've never made Eru before. I guess the recipe is so simple for you to follow. And for those of you Cameroonians who are Southwesterners, I hope I did justice in preparing the Eru, because I'm from the northwest Cameroon and it's not my traditional meal, but I love it so much. Now, each tribe in Cameroon has its own traditional dish. Okay, each region has their own traditional dish. So this Eru is southwest, the southwest part of Cameroon. This is their traditional dish. They have others, but Eru is the main dish that if you ask any Southwesterner, what is your traditional meal? The first thing that they will tell you is Eru, then followed by mpu fish, then followed by bongo chobi, like just like that. Okay. So if I did justice with the Eru, let me know in the comment section.